Control number 42231, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Jeneline It's Albios. I am 37 years old. I have 3 kids, 2 daughters, 14 years old and 11 years old. I have 1 son, 18 years old. And I have 6 brothers. And also I have 5 sisters. I am the number 11 of this family.
What is your educational attainment?
I have a high school undergraduate at Lucena National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I go Hong Kong to earn money, to save money for our future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I go Qatar for 2 years and also I go Kuwait for 3 years as a domestic helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, I give food, give vitamins and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I give a feeding, to change clothes, to change diaper and play with the babies.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking and baking,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
steamed fish and vegetable.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am an honest person and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I want to say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if you choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise to do my best. I work hard and also I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless you.